everyone, I'm Samir Jayaswamy, software architect at WSO2. I'm also part of the Ballerina team. So Ballerina is a general purpose, concurrent, strongly typed programming language with both textual and graphical syntaxes. And this language is optimized for integration scenarios. So textual syntax is similar to Java and Go, but the most coolest thing about Ballerina is its graphical syntax, and it's based on sequence diagrams. We'll cover more about the graphical syntaxes in upcoming demos. So in this demo, I will show you how to write a service in Ballerina. Ballerina has two endpoints. First one is a main function. Main function is main function in any other programming language, but a service is a collection of network accessible endpoints, and a resource is one such endpoint. So you can think of a service as a collection of resources, right? So how do you bind a service to a protocol or a transport? It's via annotations. So we have support for HTTP, JMS, file transports at the moment. So I will quickly show you how to write a service. Right. So you can start a service implementation by the service keyword. You can give it a name. Let's say hello service. Then you can add a resource definition. I will name the resource as hello, and resource has signature. First parameter is the input message. Then you can bind this service to HTTP using annotations, and these annotations are available in a Ballerina net HTTP package. So let me first import that package. Right. And then you can bind it via HTTP base path annotations. This base path annotation allows you to give a context or define a context to your service. I'll say the context is hello service. Now anyone can access this service with a URL port / hello service. And let's mark this as get resource, as well as you can define an optional path. I would say hello. Now if you want to receive a path param or a query param, you need to define the proper template here. So here I would say name equals name. So I need to receive a name as a query param, and you can bind that to a resource parameter. Let's say string name. You can do it with this HTTP query param annotation. Alright, now we have completed the signature or the skeleton of the service. Let's implement the service body, or rather resource body. So let's first define the response message, which is string response string. I want this to be hello world with the name. I'll put a new line character just for clarity. Right. So now you have the response message string, and the way you send a response back to the client is by using another message. So we need to, so this is the response message. Right. So you create an empty response message, and now you need to set this string here. So here, for that, you can use the package called messengers. This package contains various utilities to deal with or rather manipulate message type. So let me import that first. Ballerina lang dot messages. Right. There's a utility function called set messages colon set string payload. First parameter is the message. Second parameter is the string that you want to send. It should be response string. All right. Now you can reply with this response message. Okay, so this is, we have simply developed a service in Ballerina. So this service, when invoked, will send you a response with hello world with the given name. So now I have developed this service using our idea plugin. You can also download this plugin via idea plugins section, and you can also invoke services using here. Once when you invoke the service, the default port is 9090, and you can access the service. In this case, you can access the service localhost colon 9090. So let me invoke this service in browser. I would say localhost 9090 hello service. This is service context, and the resource path. This is the query param Ballerina. Now you can see the response. So we just saw how to write a service in Ballerina, and it's very simple. And we have developed a simple echo service which just print hello world and the name. If you want to know more about Ballerina, you can visit ballerinalang.org website. There we have a playground where you can start developing your own program and try it out. We also have various samples, and you can try them too. For example, hello world, you can run the sample, or you can modify it here and run it. It's a playground, so you can try it out. You can engage with us using various channels. You can join our Slack channel, or you can join Ballerina Dev Google groups. If you have any questions, anything to clarify, you can reach us via these channels. Thank you.